Hey everyone, this is the beginning of day 3. Quick update. I had the kids and my dad here yesterday. I kind of got this all together, got the sides, the facers finished up yesterday. This is all mocked up, sitting here right now. The girls came in, they started sanding down parts of the fifth wheel. Larkin did some sanding on these evener. My dad helped take stuff apart. Here's the old hitch wagon. We got to sand this fifth wheel down. We're just going to do a quick acid primer etch and a quick shot of black. Really should be rebuilding all this, but we're in a time crunch, so that'll be a project for next year. This is all going to be about black. We're going to do purple for the underside. My dad is also polishing stainless. We're reusing all the hardware. Some of this stuff has got to get polished yet, but that's an update. Day 3. Didn't do any filming yesterday. It's coming along. About a week before we use it for showtime, so let's see if we can get it done.